video, we'll go through the different ways of selecting objects. Clicking an object selects it, and deselects anything that was previously selected. Note that clicking on nothing will deselect everything. Hold the Control key while clicking objects to add them to selection without deselecting anything. Hold the Alt key and click objects to deselect them while retaining the rest of the current selection. Hold the Shift key and draw a selection box to select all objects in that box. If you draw the box towards the right, only those objects which are fully inside the box will be selected. If you draw it towards the left, all objects that are within the box will be selected. Note that the cursor changes appearance while any of these special keys are held down. You can combine the selection boxes with multi-select or deselect by holding down the Control or Alt key while holding Shift and drawing a box. Selected objects are highlighted and show through any objects that are not selected.